Hi. A lot of times homeowners who own multifamily properties that they have for purposes of investment, real estate investment, will ask me if they can challenge their property tax assessment because they've heard that you can only challenge your assessment if it's owner occupied, 1, 2, 3, or 4 family home. The answer is yes, you certainly can challenge your assessment. Now, if you live in the property, you can go ahead with a regular tax grievance, and there's really nothing special involved. If it's a property that you own, that's an investment property, that you do not live in, then it may be necessary to take a little different tactic and have what's called an Article 7 filed for you. In this case, you're not, the typical standard tax grievance process isn't open to you. So you have to, instead of filing the tax grievance and the appeal, you have to file the tax grievance and then the Article 7 proceeding. Now, this isn't a big deal. It's a little more complicated and something that you probably don't want to handle on your own. It's a little bit more expensive up front. There are some additional filing fees, but certainly not enough to discourage you from pursuing that reduction, because remember, once you get that reduction, it may cost you a few $100s to get the reduction, but you're going to benefit from that year in, year out. And especially from an investment standpoint, if you can knock down that tax basis on your house, on your property, that's cutting into your profit margin. So the more you can reduce that, the better. And also by reducing that property tax, you're adding to the value of the property. Just because obviously a property is more valuable if it can generate more income. And this is true for residential properties as well. The lower your property taxes, the more valuable your property is. Because if someone has a choice between 2 homes, one with property taxes of $10,000 and one with property taxes of $7,000, which are really comparable in every other way, which house are they going to pick, and which house are they going to be more likely to pay more money from, knowing that they're saving $3,000 every year, year in and year out? Thanks a lot. I hope that helped.